time I saw you was down at the Greeks. There was whiskey on Sunday and tears on our cheeks. You sang me a song that was pure as the breeze on the road leading up Glenavane.
Sat for a while at the cross of Fairview, where young lovers would meet, where the flowers were in bloom, where the men coming home from the Farrington road, their hearts in Tipperary, wherever they roam.
Take my hand and dry your tears. Take my hand, forget your fears. There's no pain, there's no more sorrow. They are gone, gone in the year's rain. I sat for a while by the gap in the wall, saw the rusty tin can and an old hurling ball, where the cards being dealt and the rosary called, and the fiddle played John Donner Hall.
And the next time I see you will be down at the Greeks. There'll be whiskies on Sunday and tears on our cheeks. For it's stupid to love and it's useless to bawl about a rusty tin can and an old hurling ball.
Take my hand and dry your tears, babe. Take my hand, forget your fears, babe. There's no pain, there's no more sorrow. They are gone, gone in the year's rain.
So I woke as day was dawning, where small birds sang and leaves were falling, where we once watched the rowboats landing by the road. They're just a child.
I walked as day was dawning, where small birds sang and leaves were falling, and we once walked the rowboats landing by the broad majestic Shannon,
Where we once watched the rowboats landing by the road. They're just a child.
By Clyde's bonny banks, as I sadly did wander, among the pit heath as evening drew nigh, I spied the fair maiden, all dressed in deep mourning, a-weeping and wailing with many a sigh. "21 years of age, full of youth and good looking, though worked on the mind of I Blentyric hay. The wedding was fixed, all the guests were invited. That calm summer's evening, my Johnny was slain.
The explosion was heard, all the women and children, with parents' faces they haste to the mine. When the truth was made known, their friends with their mourning, 310 young miners were slain. Husbands and wives and sweethearts and brothers, the Blentyre explosion they'll never forget. And all you young miners to hear my sad story, shed a tear for a victim who were laid to the rest.
Ship me lots for the David Straits he's bound, and a Kate is all garnished with bonny Lochna's round.
And Nelson gave the order to sail the ocean wide, where the sun makes never set me lads, so dark has been this time. So we cheer up me lads, let your hearts never fail, while the bonny ship the Diamond goes a fishing for away.
Along the quay at Peterhead, the lasses stand around, with the shawls all pulled about them and their salt is running down.
Don't you weep me, bonny lad, though you be left behind, for the roads will grow on green-red tide before we change our mind. So we cheer up the lad, let your hearts never fail, while on the ship the Diamond goes a fishing for the whale.
Here's a health to the Resolution, likewise the Eliza Swan. Here's a health to the Battler of Montrose and the Diamond Ship of Fame.
We wear the trousers of the white and the jackets of the blue. When we return to Leaderhead, we let swing past the blue. So we cheer up the lad, let your hearts never fail, while on the ship the Diamond goes a fishing for the whale.
It'll be bright both day and night when the Greenland lads come home, with a ship that's full of all the lots and money to our name.
We'll make a cradle for the rock